Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Russell with 3 Hay Seeds. I wanted to put together a little video on our 1944 Farmall H tractor. We got this thing for free it was a gift from a good friend of mine, and it was used as yard art for years and years. And put a lot of work into it. We picked it up. It had 4 flat tires. One of the rears was seized up at the brake. The engine was seized. It had felt like a 1/4 inch of like pink faded red paint on it. It had a corn stalk plugging up the radiator. And it just needed a lot of love, man. Nothing worked. So we got it home, limped it home. And man just tore it down, replaced a bunch of the fluid on the tractor, did a fluid flush. It was some horrible things were coming out of this thing. Rebuilt the carburetor, replaced the radiator, did a little bit of electric work, just cleaned up the magneto, retimed everything. It was 180 degrees out, so we got that fixed. And we still have some work to do, but we repainted everything, did a bunch of new decals, and currently we're using this thing as kind of a parade tractor here in town locally, with the kids' school events and Halloween trick-or-treats, things like this. But we're also getting it started. It's doing a little bit of work. It's trying to pull its weight anyways. Out at the farm, just doing some light brush hog work. It's not capable of much more on those hills that we got out at our place. So hopefully we can get a little more out of it, and you'll see more of it on the video going forward. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little intro on the story of this thing. It's come a long way, and I don't have a whole lot of video on the work along the way, but I had a lot of pictures, and I wanted to share some of those with you guys here this morning. So take a look, leave a comment. I'm curious to see if any of you guys have one of these things or any feedback on how to tune them up a little bit. Man, I just appreciate you guys following along. I mentioned some of the horrible stuff coming out of this tractor, and I'm going to put up a video right here where we were actually flushing the main gearbox or transmission of this tractor. Is one of the first things we did. And man, a ton of just water came out, but the state of that gearbox oil was so bad, and I couldn't get over it, and I got a big kick out of it. I wanted to share that with you guys right here. That is some thick stuff. So gross. Farmall. This is a 1944 Farmall H. We got another video coming on that guy soon. It's a parade tractor. I put a lot of work into it. We got this little brush hog to try to knock down some of the little stuff out here, and it does okay, but it's just so thick it bogs down pretty bad. So you got to be patient with her, but pretty good for 1944. Anyways, appreciate you guys.